Enjoy mountain views from the comfort of your great room or front yard. This low-maintenance brick and vinyl 3-bedroom 2.5-bath home and property features over 2,500 heated square feet and 1,500 plus unheated square feet. Main level living includes a great room with natural gas log fireplace, built-ins and spacious dining area, kitchen with all appliances remaining, half bath and laundry room, and owner's suite with full bath, 2 separate vanities and 2 walk-in closets. Upper level features 2 additional bedrooms with mountain views from the dormer windows, a full bath with pedestal sink, and a spacious 300 square feet unheated room above the garage for storage. The lower level has a family room with a natural gas log brick fireplace and plenty of room for an office or fitness space. Main level attached 2-car garage. Detached 26 by 26 garage with 12-foot ceilings, and a 10 by 12